Hi friends, this is Kalyan from Parivartan. Today I am going to briefly explain to you Transgender Persons Bill 2016. The bill is being introduced in Parliament in winter session. The final version of the bill is what is most important and which you should remember for your mains. However, you should know the basics. So in 2014 Nalsa versus Union of India case, the Supreme Court said that self-perceived gender identity or determining one's own gender identity is part of fundamental right. Based on this, a 2014 bill has been introduced in Rajya Sabha. Later on 2016 August, the bill has been introduced again in Lok Sabha, which has been sent to standing committee. So the present condition of the bill is this. The bill provides for self-perceived gender identity. That is, a person can determine his own gender identity. This is in line with the Supreme Court judgment. However, international standards say that transgender is umbrella term which includes persons whose sense of gender identity does not match with the gender assigned to them at birth. That means not only physical but also psychological perception plays a role in determining one's own sex. However, the present bill introduces additional criteria which says that neither wholly male nor female, a combination of male and female, neither male or female has been introduced. This is contradictory to the international standards. So the bill is vague about which criteria will be used to determine them. The confusion does not end there. It also adds a certificate of identity which has to be obtained from district screening committee, which determines whether a person is a transgender or not. A person can appeal against the judgment also. However, the Supreme Court said that entitlement should be given on education, employment, health and welfare measures. So they can be abused or misused while getting benefits. So this certificate of identity will help reduce such misuse. This is the argument of the government. The bill is vague on 2 points. It is vague and does not explain how it is going to coexist with the present laws. For example, in Narega, there is one-third reservation for women. So how will transgender fit in the whole scenario? This has to be seen. The bill also criminalizes any transgender being forced into begging or doing bonded labor. Also, physical, sexual, verbal or emotional economical abuses are also prohibited. So any person exploiting transgenders will be punished by the law. I hope you got just the basic idea about the transgender person bill. So once the bill is passed, you will get the whole picture which you can use in the mains. As of now, just remember the fact that there are around 4.8 million transgenders in India as per census 2011. Thank you for your time. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you. Also a provision which